Hi everyone, I'm certified holistic health coach Donna. I share my experiences of life over 50 so you feel less alone and more empowered. Is anyone confused about nut milks and what to put in their coffee? We just had food sensitivity tests and I have a lactose thing, so I've switched to coconut milk. The only problem is that most of the coconut milks out there are full of thickeners, seed oils, bad sugars, chemicals, guar gums, all that kind of thing. And I just don't think that should be in your body. You're having enough trouble with your hormones right now, so we want to keep things real simple. I found that this reduced fat coconut milk is the easiest to work with. I'm a full fat girl. I love fat. The only problem is that because there are no thickeners, when you're using full coconut milk, it doesn't really get very fluid. You have to heat it up. You can do that, that's fine, but it's just a different experience. So we're gonna go ahead and make some vanilla coconut milk today, and you can use this for anything from keto granola to I don't know, whatever you're gonna do with it. But here we go, we're just putting that in there. I'm gonna use some organic vanilla if I can get it open, and just like a dash. At this point, you can use any sweetener you like. You can use a maple syrup. You can use stevia. I like this organic maple allulose syrup is nice. And then I have monk fruit sweetener with allulose is also good. So any of those. And then I'm gonna add just some organic cinnamon to this. And let's go ahead and add some of this. Just a little bit, just give it some flavor. And that's just allulose. And then I'll add a little bit of this allulose. All right, so let's shake that up and see how that is. Get it nice and frothy. I have some organic coffee brewed in a French press, and it's all stainless steel inside, so that's good. Just gonna get it in there. Ooh, steamy hot. And we have some of this. Just pouring that in there. Ooh, that looks good. Now at this point, you can totally use your frother, and I recommend that, and it will get so delicious. Enjoy. That's really good. Have a blessed day.